Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by restarting Explorer because the taskbar is part of that process. This often fixes a blank bar immediately. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, locate Windows Explorer, then right-click and choose Restart. Once done, make sure to observe the tray icons and search box Return. If Explorer is missing, use File right arrow Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE, then press Enter. This is fast and safe, and it restores the UI without rebooting, so try it first. Once Explorer Restart didn't fully solve it, re-register taskbar components in PowerShell as administrator to reset the app model. This repairs corrupt shell registrations. Next, run sfc/scano to detect bad system files, and follow with dism restore health if SFC flags issues. Make sure to update or rollback display and shell-related drivers because driver conflicts can hide the taskbar. If you need to, install pending Windows updates, then sign out and back in to confirm whether the re-register and repairs fix the blank taskbar. You finish by isolating account-level issues. Create a new local user and sign in. If the taskbar works there, your profile is corrupted and you can migrate data. If that fails, use System Restore to a point when the taskbar worked, or choose Reset this PC while keeping files. And if nothing helps, perform a clean boot to remove startup interference, or inspect HKey local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /winlogin shell value. Incorrect shell entries can
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.